I'm just what's your What did you call it?
That's gasket. I think we should just use this one. I don't think there's any fault with it. It can use CNG, that is compressed natural gas. It can use LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, and as well it could also use normal petrol. So it's actually like it's a three-system distillery carburetor that's actually there, with the other units we are coupling. Enhancement units we're actually keeping together with it. Okay. I mean, people who use diesel every month, like hotels and clubs and stuff, they spend almost 1,000. They use almost 1,000 liters of diesel per month. Even some of them even use more than that every month.
That's it.
Have you added the clip to the other side?
Yeah. Okay.
To be cheap that you will get huge disadvantage.
No.
Say come on.
Like